Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Regrad. Okay, in this video I want to explain these two problems. See, in a right angle triangle ABC, right angle is at B. If tan A is equal to root 3, find the values sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. This is one sum. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C is another. In this problem only two bits is given. Two. Okay. Now first this will. Now this is sum as usual only. First ABC he only gave. So consider a right angle triangle ABC. ABC only names give. Right angle at B also give. So right angle at B. According to A now, A you take. Now consider the right angled triangle. Right angled triangle ABC. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Now given simply what here given tan A given. Tan A is equal to root 3 given. Root 3 means what? Root 3 by 1 we can write. So tan A. Now for A, angle A, tan only you write formula. So tan A formula is what? Opposite side to angle A. Tan is opposite side by adjacent side. Adjacent side to angle A. Okay. Tan opposite side by adjacent side. For A, what is opposite side? BC. What is adjacent side? AB. Now this is equal to tan A. Root 3 by 1 given. That's why I told here down not there means you will confuse. So that's why anything not there in the denominator means 1. That is 1 simply. So root 3 by 1. Now what? BC is to AB equal to root 3 is to 1. Therefore BC is equal to root 3x. AB is equal to 1x. So simply x. You can write. Now BC. BC here root 3x you write. AB 1x or x you write. Now we should find out the third AC. That is Pythagoras theorem APT. So according to Pythagoras theorem what? AC square. APT I wrote, if you want full you write, so many times I am telling. Okay, in exam so according to Pythagoras theorem you write. Then you will get marks. Okay, now APT. Simply here I am writing APT. Okay, APT according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to other sides. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So in that substitute directly AC1 we are calculating. So AB value is x for that square plus BC value is root 3x for that square. So x square is only x square. Root 3 square is 3, x square is x square. So x square plus 3x square is 4x square. But we want AC, not AC square. So 4x square under root, that is for 4 square root is 2, for x square root is x. It becomes AC is equal to 2x. Here 2x. We got the third side, hypotenuse also. Now our duty is what? Simply substituting. Now what? Take the sum. What is asking? Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C asking. Which terms are there in this? That terms first you find out individually. Sin A is there, calculate sin A. Sin A, from here I will write sin A. That is directly writing formula sin. Opposite side by hypotenuse. For A, that's why opposite side. For A only, opposite side is BC by hypotenuse is AC. That is equal to BC value is root 3x by AC value is 2x. X cancel. root 3 by 2. So we got sin A value cos C. Cos C. Now angle changed. So simply cos formula is what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. C is there. C only you consider. Okay. But actually you write here adjacent. Okay, I am writing. For A I don't wrote, no, here also you consider angle A I wrote. So like the cos C is equal to what? You know, no, adjacent side by. In exams you want me to write, what to write? Adjacent side to angle C, you should write. Okay. You know, no, C, that's why C. For C, adjacent side. For C you consider, now adjacent side is BC by hypotenuse is AC. Okay. Now BC value is root 3x by hypotenuse AC is 2x. Root 3 by 2. This also same came because the angles changed. That's why sin cos value same came. Okay. Now cos A. All are different. This is for cos A. So that's why cos formula. Cos formula is what? Here only there adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos formula. Now again take A. For A, you should take adjacent side AB. According to angle only you see. Hypotenuse is AC. Now for this AB value is x by AC value is 2x. X cancel. Anything not there means here you think 1 now. 1 by 2. Okay. Now sin C there not there. We should calculate sin C. Same. Sin C means what? Sin formula is opposite side by hypotenuse. Right? For C again opposite side AB. Hypotenuse is AC. Okay, right? AB value is x by AC value is 2x. X cancel 1 by 2. So once you individually calculated all the values, now total value. Now sin A cos C plus cos A sin C becomes what it becomes, you write substitute values. Sin A root 3 by 2 dot means into cos C root 3 by 2, this is into, otherwise I will write into only, plus cos A 1 by 2 into sin A cos C means what? Sin A into cos C. Here plus is there. So cos A into sin C, cos A into sin C. Sin C 1 by 2. Okay, now these simplifications. Into is there now. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 2 2s are 4. Plus is there. 1 1s are 1. 2 2s are 4. This is simply a fraction. So 4. 3 is there. 1 is there. 4 by 4. That is 1. So what he asked, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, that's value is 1. Okay. Understood? Okay. Next we will see. Up to here no changes because from tan A is equal to only this sum also. From this problem only this also calculate. So this same. Only the problem only you should copy and that only we should calculate. What are there? That only. This no change will come. Now what is asking what? He is asking that question. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C asked. So for this individually first calculate. Cos A. Okay. Cos A. Cos is what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Angle is what? A. So adjacent side is AB by hypotenuse is AC. Values you substitute. AB value is x by hypotenuse value is 2x. X cancel 1 by 2. Its value is 1 by 2. Next cos C. Same cos formula, same, adjacent side by hypotenuse only. But angle changed. According to C, you should see now. See, formula same only, but angle changed, no, sides will change. So, for this adjacent side is AB. For A, adjacent side is what? AB. Now C, so sorry, for C. For C, adjacent side is what? BC. For C, adjacent side BC. Hypotenuse is AC only. Now values BC. BC value root 3x by AC value 2x. X cancel. Root 3 by 2. Now sin A. Now sin formula is what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Don't confuse angle you see. For this only angle you see. For A, opposite side is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. The BC value is root 3x by AC value is 2x. X cancel. Root 3 by 2. Okay. Now this finished. Now sin C. Sin C. Formula is same. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Sin formula is opposite side by hypotenuse. For C you see angle C. For this opposite side is AB. See, opposite side is AB by hypotenuse is AC. Now substitute the values. AB value is x by AC value is 2x. Now x cancel 1 by 2. We got all the individual values. Now total sum you take for substitution. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. That is only problem. Now in this equation, in this expression, we should substitute the values. Cos A, what is cos A? 1 by 2 into cos A cos C means cos A into cos C. Cos C root 3 by 2 minus is there. Sin A sin C. So sin A sin C. Root 3 by 2 1 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. Simply I substituted the values. Now this is into these two multiplication, these two multiplication. Then that fraction. Now this is root 3. 1 into root 3 is root 3. 2 into 2 is 4. Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 into 1 is root 3 by 2 2s are 4. Now see simply. No need to calculate LCM also. See, plus root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. Same values plus and minus there means we will get 0. So, what he asked, that's value cos A cos C minus sin A sin C value is 0. Finally, you got the answer 0. I hope everyone understood this problem. Okay. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.